Chef here. Oh, I got the Porsche Chroma Turbo Hakata knife. Wow, really like it. Some people ask me, well, just how sharp is this knife? Check out this hard squash. Glides right through. I like to do the top and the bottom first, and then I stand it up. And I run my knife around the perimeter like this. Okay, we've removed all of the outside rind, and now we're going to cut it right in half. You can see the knife gives me a big advantage over some of the garbage that many of you have in your kitchen. You want to get the good stuff. Get the good stuff the first time. This is it right here. Just check out your sponsor. They're having a sale right there. Okay, once I cut this in half, wow, it's beautiful. I'm going to de-seed it. Okay, for those of you wondering, the glove is braided stainless steel, and you can score this at your sponsor as well. Gives you an extra level of protection. I'm going to be cutting these in consistent 1/8-inch slices like this, all the way down. And I want to show you one more thing. Once I get them cut, let's see, down to about here, I'm going to switch off to the other one. Yeah, just like that. Knife cuts beautifully. I highly recommend you check it out. I love the design and the style and the shape. Yeah, by the way, this is made in Germany. This is a Japanese super steel. You can't go wrong. The handle is a solid bar of stainless steel. There's a weld here, lifetime warranty. The blue designates the turbo. Turbo is fast, right? Mainly it's the profile and the thinness of the blade. Really, really like it. So I'm going to stop with this, and I'm going to save these for another video, so you need to subscribe right there. Make sure to smash that like button and watch the next video, because I'll be utilizing this butternut squash and show you a quick recipe. Be back soon. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Coleslaw. For the full recipe, subscribe. Got my steamed asparagus on there. It's looking really good. The last thing I'm going to add to finish this drunken porterhouse recipe is some of the drunken juice right over the top like this. Oh yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right down there. Get cooking, try the recipe, have a beautiful day. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it and I eat a lot. Before you, I'm making homemade vanilla extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow, it's going to really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. You can see what I got going on here. Oh yeah, it's looking really cool. I like it. I'm going to eat that. Yeah, hit up your sponsor and get the good stuff. Yeah, get cooking and have a beautiful day. It's gonna be good. Button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah. That is the good stuff right there. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really nice. Look at that color. Smells wonderful. I'm going to roll this basil up, do a really quick chiffonade cut. Just like that. Some of that's going to go on my pasta, of course. Yeah, notice how sharp that knife is and how nice this cut is there. Looking really good. Please like, share, subscribe, smash that like button, let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. A lot of awesome recipes on there. Make sure you leave a comment. like, share, subscribe, score all the cool stuff at your sponsor, get cooking, and of course for the recipe, subscribe and watch the chef's other videos. You're gonna find it. Sourdough bread. Oh, it's gonna be good. Oh yeah, I got some homemade clam chowder here. I put extra clams in there, lots of potatoes, some thyme. It's good to go. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out some of the soup recipes that I've decided to share. Black pepper, I love it. Oh yeah, let's put a little extra grind on there. 5 years old, it's still going, I love it. Now, if you want one, you can visit the sponsor and you can check them out right there. They got all kinds of them at the sponsor. Star anise. Oh, it's a really, really nice quality. Hard to find.